friends, it's Miss Stedman, and today we're going to talk about the letter D. D makes the D sound, like in duck. I would like for you to hold up your pointer finger, and as I'm writing it on the board, just like we've been practicing, I want you to do it with me in the air. So for the letter D, we're going to start at the top. We're going to pull straight down, pick up our pencil, and then we're going to circle back around to the bottom. So that is our uppercase D. Now for our lowercase d, we are going to start just below the middle, circle back, pick up our pencil, go to the top, and pull down to the bottom. That is our lowercase d. And D makes the D sound. Now we are going to look at two pictures. We have lemon and duck. Lemon, duck. Which one starts with the D sound? Which one begins with the letter D? Listen one more time. Lemon or duck? That's right. Duck starts with the D sound. It starts with the letter D. Rainbow, dolphin. Say those with me. Rainbow, dolphin. Great job. Which one starts or begins with the letter D? Rainbow, dolphin. That's right. Dolphin starts or begins with the letter D. Great job.